only 30 days left for ACCA March 2026 exams. Now, this is not the time to study harder, but to study smarter and score faster. Now, the truth about last 30 days is that most students waste the final month by doing one thing, and that is they keep reading notes again and again. Now, ACCA is not a reading exam, it's a performance exam. In the last 30 days, your goal should be simple. Revise fast, practice daily, do mocks seriously, and fix your mistakes permanently. The golden rule here is 70% question practice and 30% revision, because marks don't come from what you know, marks will come from what you can attempt correctly under time pressure. So what should be the last 30 days winning strategy? Let's discuss that in detail. So day 1 to day 10, the first 10 days should be for fast revision and syllabus coverage. Your goal should be to revise the syllabus quickly and identify your weak areas. That is very, very important. So what should your daily routine look like during the first 10 days? Divide each day into 4 sessions. Session 1, give 2 hours just for fast revision of the topics and all the notes that you must have already prepared. And then 2.5 to 3 hours should go for practice of the questions. So that means more time should be allotted for practice. Then session 3, give around 30 minutes for going through your mistake notebook and redo your wrong points. Please maintain a mistake notebook from the very beginning when you start preparing for your exam, right? List down the mistakes that you're making repeatedly, why you're making those mistakes, so that towards the end, you make the necessary corrections. So that is very important. And then in session 4, give about 15 minutes just for flash revision just before you sleep. सोने से पहले सारे key points को एक बारी हमें quickly revise karna hai. We just have to glance through everything. So what will happen by the end of day 10? The entire syllabus will be revised once, important questions you would have practiced, and the list of weak topics will be ready in your mistake notebook, which again towards the end you're going to re-revise. Then the next phase, day 11 to day 20, this is going to be your exam practice. So now you switch into the exam mode. How your daily routine should look like? So divided into 3 sessions. Session 1, 1 hour, quick revision. So अब आपको quick revision करना है, not 2 hours, but only 1 hour where you're going to revise only the weak areas. Session 2 is going to be about 3 hours where you are going to practice questions, और यहाँ पे आपको timed practice करनी है. Set the timer and then practice the questions. And these questions should be mixed. Objective type questions, constructive response questions, long descriptive questions depending upon your paper. And then the session 3, that's last session of the day, give 1 hour to review your answers. जो भी आपने question practice करे उन्हें review करो and try to fix your mistakes. So this entire phase is going to build your speed, accuracy, and exam confidence. By the end of the day 20, you should feel paper familiar. You will get familiar with the exam that you're giving, your paper. The speed and structure will improve, and your marks, they will start stabilizing, because here you are practicing timed questions every day. Then moving further to the third phase, that is day 21 to day 27, this is going to be all about giving mock tests. It's a game changer. Now, the goal here is real exam environment को simulate करना and last moment खुद को polish करना. So here, at least you have to give 4 full mock tests, and these mock tests can be given every alternate day. So what is going to happen is, day 21, you are going to give mock test 1, full mock test, and on day 22, what you will do is you are going to review your answers, and whatever the mistakes are, you're going to correct your mistakes. Then give another mock test on day 23, keep day 24 for review and correcting your mistakes, revising the key points. Then day 25, give mock test 3 and keep day 26 for review and correction of your mistakes. After analyzing your performance of these 3 mock tests, if you feel that you are exam ready, then you may skip to give mock test 4. But if you feel that you need more confidence, you have time to give another test. So you may give another mock test on day 27. This is optional. This depends from students to students and the time that you have in your hand and the level of your performance in these mock tests. Now, please ensure when you're giving these mock tests, you are not going to write the answers. Like I told you that this has to be real exam simulation. So please type your answers, descriptive answers, constructed response answers on Word wherever applicable, and use Excel spreadsheets for calculations, formulas, etc. And please remember that your mock review, that is more important than the mock itself, because that is where you'll get to know your mistake. Now let's move to day 28 and day 29. Now this is your final revision sprint. This is only high impact revision. Here you are just going to focus on high yield topics. Revise all your notes and important formats, important formulas. Go through the last minute revision sheets or the mind maps that you must have prepared, the formula sheets. Redo only the incorrect questions from your mistake notebooks. Zyada questions practice nahi karni hai during 28th and 29th day. And very important, revise high frequency topics, those topics that have been asked frequently in the past exams. No new topics to be touched at this point of time. And then finally, the day 30, that is your pre-exam day. Last day before the exam should only be about light revision. Go through the formula sheet, key points, summary sheets, eat healthy, drink healthy, sleep early, have a calm and a positive mind before you wake up next morning for your exam. So that was our last 30 days winning strategy. Now, the ones who are working, right, you must be wondering, what about us? So what you can do is you can follow the same strategy, but of course, the number of hours that you will give for revision or practicing the questions, that is going to be less. So every day during the last 30 days should be split into 2 sessions, morning and night session. Give 1.5 hours in the morning and 2 hours at night. Morning time for revision and practicing of questions and reviewing your mistakes during the night. And don't forget to give mock test. You also have to give 3 mock tests, but you can give it during the weekends on Sundays, or if your Saturday is off, give it on Saturday. Students, please remember that the last 30 days can completely change your result if you do the right things. That is, practice daily, stay timed, review your mistakes, and treat every mock like the real exam. So that's all from my end, students. Before I wind up, let me also inform you that if you want to explore our ACCA resources that can help you prepare effectively and build your successful future in ACCA, then please visit our website www.escholars.in. You can also fill in the Google form attached in the description for any doubt related to ACCA course. The website link is also given in the description. Do go and check out our courses and the resources that are available for you to elevate your career.